Okay guys, my exemplar question number 1 says our universe is some integers from 0 to 10, and our A set is even numbers and our B set is factors of 10. Which numbers represent elements of both A and B? Represent this information on a Venn diagram. First thing then, let's work out what our even numbers are. These are the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and set B, where the set is 1, 2, 5 and 10. In our Venn diagram, we have 0, 5, 6, 8 are in the B, and we also have the numbers 2 and 10. But I know they're in B as well. In the B section, we have the numbers 1, 2 is there again, 5 and 10 is there again, which means we haven't used 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 or 10, but they're still part of the universe, so let's put them in there in shocking pink. There we go, we've managed to do the whole thing.